Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather & Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a wine cellar on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding some doors from the catalogue to my wine room. I'm then going to change the floor to a tile. I'm using the panel on the right to resize the design of my tiles. I'm then changing the wall colour using a preloaded texture from the catalogue. Next I'm searching for the word wine. I'm shortlisting all the items I may want to use in my design. I can then go to the shortlist tab on the left and see all the items in one place and add them more quickly. I'm going to start by creating a wall of units for the wine storage. I'm using the blue highlight to tell me when the items are snapped to the wall, and the resize tool to make them custom to my wall size. I'm then using the textures panel to change the colour of the units. Next I'm adding a fridge and wall rack and resizing both to fit the space. I want to add a neon sign, so I'm searching the catalogue for one that fits my design and adding it to the room. I'm now going to use the Create New Product tool to add a bespoke mirror to the back wall of my units. I'm drawing a rectangle and then clicking Done in the top right. I'm then applying an antique mirror texture to the rectangle to make it into a mirror. I'm using the clone tool to duplicate this and then apply the free movement tool. I can then rotate the mirror and place it on the ceiling. Next I'm adding some lights. I'm adding a main pendant light and changing the texture to gold. I'm also adding some strip lights to the wall ceiling junction to give a lovely reflection in the ceiling mirror. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can adjust the lighting at this point in the panel on the left. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of your screen. The render will appear on the right. If you're happy, click the Take Render button. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.